Hunky-dory, y'all. It's a Lance Rockefeller. And, right now, I'm fearing for my life. I should properly explain. It all happened a few weeks ago. Blum, 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 blum. Hunky-dory, y'all. It's Lance Rockefeller. And, today is the 11th of the September. So, it's a very, tragic day in American history. Bush did 9/11. Anyway, today we're gonna do something special. We're just gonna go read some comments. You know, just something to do. Alright, let's look at these comments. Dude, subscribe to me. Subscribe to me. HTTP, subscribe to me. Wait, what's this? Is this channel a joke or what? What in tarnation? What in tarnation is this? You know what, Dan? That's it. Nobody makes fun of my channel. I'm gonna report spam. Yes, he is bullying me. Yes, this is harassing me. This is hurting my feelings. I'm going to report him. Yes. Report Dan. He bullied me! Okay. Well, I'm just gonna go back to reading some more comments and do some normal stuff. This is a good video. What in tarnation? Hang on, what's this? What the? No, it can't be. He sent me this image. It's a demented looking Dan. What could this mean? What could this mean indeed? Oh well. Wait, hang on. My laptop is being hacked. This wasn't here before. And what's this document? What the? This wasn't here. You tried to report me? Me? Dan? Do you even know who you're talking to? I will end you, Rockefeller. You will rue this day. Prepare to get wrecked by my hacking skills. From Dan. Dan must have wrote this. But how did they hack into my computer? I don't get it. How did he do this? How? I'm getting scared. I don't know what to do. Wait, I think my computer's being hacked.
I'm coming for you, Rockefeller.
Oh no! Hey, who turned off the lights? Why is it so dark now? Hello?
Rockefeller!
Oh no.
I have you now, Rockefeller. Prepare to die.